Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash. I just wanted to show you guys how you guys can make some quick, easy PayPal money on a daily basis. A lot of you already know about this company, but if you don't, the name of this company is $25 One Up. Very dope company, you guys. It's a company that I promoted at first when it first came out. Then I kind of shied away from it for a little bit because I was focused on other things. But this company is still up and running. You can still make good money with it. And so let's take a look at some of the things that they do have to offer. They have a gold level which is $25. Well, the first step is you will have to pay a $10 hosting fee, guys. And that's to take care of the website, of course, to pay the CEO of the company. And then step two is the gold level, right? Step three is the platinum level. This is a 25 level. This is a $100 level. Step four, which I'm not in yet, is a $250 level. And step five is enterprise, which is a $500 level, guys. So you got a chance to receive up to $500 a person, any given time that you want. As you can see, Vinny, he's actually on my team, just earned $100. Um, this company is really dope, man. They offer a lot of trainings. Let's take a look at some of the funnel pages, and I'll tell you exactly what you guys will be doing. Okay, so once you sign up, all this stuff, these payments are one-time payments only. You don't have to pay anything monthly or anything like that, but you do get your own capture pages. The company does have a built-in autoresponder automatically, and so you'll be able to have access to all of these different, presentations and things like that to be able to promote your business that you're promoting, guys. Which will be this one. Another cool thing that I always loved about this is, they have a Meet Your Sponsor page as well. My sponsor is Jeremy Blackman. Really dope guy. You know what I'm saying? You can look him up on YouTube. Really dope. But then, they have other things on here. If you click on resources, they have, sizzle calls. You can buy traffic here. They have, the hottest Facebook groups, a posting tool, a YouTube tool, postcard templates, other traffic methods, seven figure weekly mastermind. God, I mean, this has everything, right? Let me see here. And now you have to be on the platinum level, which is the $100 level, to actually get this section right here. But this section is really cool. Okay, so when someone decides to sign up, so before I explain that, let me explain exactly what you'll be doing, guys. So if you're familiar with email processing, it's pretty much the exact same thing, guys. The only thing is this one actually has higher end levels and a little bit more training and funnel pages and an actual back office. Uh, but pretty much you're going to be using pre-written ads, pasting them across social media. And let me show you guys real quick what those look like. Let me go to dashboard here. Then I'll go down here to the trainings so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So we'll go over here to the, let's see, $25 level, right? And you'll get pre-written ads here. And these ads pretty much, just a bunch of different, trigger words and things that you can use to promote your businesses and things like that, and also to be able to get leads and sales. A bunch of scripts, email things, just a bunch of different trainings, guys. This thing is loaded with trainings, cheat sheets, Facebook cheat sheets, 50 ways to promote your business, mindset trainings. That's just on the $25 level as well. Then on the platinum level, you get Facebook, YouTube, Instagram trainings. You got just all kinds of different trainings and things that you guys can click on when you get in here, and that's just in the system. And then I also do have my own personal, YouTube domination trainings and softwares and all kind of other things that you guys will be able to get on the platinum level, which is the $100 level. So. I would say this system is great. The only reason why I didn't promote it as hard, guys, is because it was fairly new when I first started. And he was having a lot of glitches with it, like I told you guys before. But he seems to get all that, got that all out. But just from there, just from that, I didn't promote it as much. But I'll show you guys how much I've made. Not really much. Like today or yesterday, didn't make any money. Of course, I haven't been promoting this either. This is just autopilot money that's came in. So around $3,000 just from YouTube videos that I had put out when it first came out. Uh, made $3,000, right? Didn't go out and talk to nobody. People found me and decided to join, and that was it. As you can see, some of my recent payments, January 9th, which is this year, and it's January the 12th. So, I mean, had made a couple of money in the past couple of days, close to, $150 there within the last 7 days. So, made a little bit of something. It was one week where I actually made like $600. I mean, one day I made $600 in one day on one of those, but that was actually pretty shocking. But yeah, this system is really dope, guys. It has a lot to offer, a lot of stuff in here. So how it works, guys, they do have a one-up system. So pretty much you'll get paid on your first sale, right? And then your second sale will pass up to the person that is above you, right? So let's say you're on the $25 level. Let's say you get your friend to sign up, then you make $25 instantly straight to your PayPal account or your Stripe account, right? Then the next person that you wait, then the next person that you see, Steve and Rachel just earned $500. That's the enterprise level. But I'm all over the place. But let's say your second person that you sign up, it will go directly to your sponsor. So the really cool thing about this is each person that you sign up will have to pass you one person, right? They will have to pass you one person. So you'll be getting autopilot commissions and things like that, guys. So if you're interested, in this system, man, it comes with a whole lot of stuff, guys. Like I said, once you get in here, you'll be able to, get in here and kind of see what they have to offer. And definitely you'll be able to make some good money. Like it'll constantly show you down here, all the people who's making money like on a daily basis. And like I said, you'll get in here, set up your profile and things like that. And all the training that you need is all right here, guys. It's all kind of how to set up your stuff. It teaches you pretty much everything you need to know as far as how to get started. So everything's like right here in your face. You just have to get in and then start promoting. Will this be something I continue to promote? Maybe not just out in the open as much, but because I do like things like Forex and binary and things like that on the back end, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, this is actual demo account though. I'm not gonna stunt. This is when I was in here practicing, but the other day on this, what day was that? The 11th or the 1st? I can't really tell how that's reading, but on the demo, that's five. I've made about $2,000 with the strategy on the demo, and so I'm always in there practicing. As you can see, I only lost once. The one with the negative is a loss. I only lost once in the demo, and my strategies, I'm killing it. So I'm getting ready to hop in a live account and really crush Forex. But so that's some of the stuff that I'm on right now. That's why I'm not really focused on this. But if this is something that you're interested in, guys, I would definitely say give it a shot. You can make some really good money with it. Actually, on the leaderboards, a few people are on here killing, like Stephen Rachel, man. He got in, he's a top marketer, though. He's been marketing for years. He got in probably around 3 or 4 months ago and already made 50 grand. Adriana's always killing it. This guy Marvin been killing it as well. Vinny, he's actually under me, and he's been on the leaderboards. I was on the leaderboards earlier when it first started, but I'm not on the leaderboards right now, so because I'm not promoting it. But like I said, it's people out here killing it. Once you all get to a certain level, the company will send you like a big check and things like that. So like I said, it's just things to look forward to in this company. So if that's something you're interested in, something you're wanting to do, you do get paid daily, instantly. You do have the chance to, get $250 commissions as well as $500 commissions, and people will actually go through here and join every one of these, and you can make a lot of autopilot money. Maybe this is something I'll pick up and promote full time one day, but as of right now, I'm doing a lot of other things, so this is not my main focus. But hopefully this video helped, guys. And if, like I said, if it's something you're interested in, it's below the video. You can join my team. You will get training and other things, so nothing to worry about there. But that's the easiest way, one of the easiest way to make some good PayPal money on a daily basis, guys. So that being said, I'm out of here. Peace.